Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Today I'm in the kitchen again. I'm going to go put on my apron, but I am going to make an apple cider pound cake. So stay with me and let's get to cooking. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for our cake. 1 cup of cider, a half a cup of apple butter, 3 cups of flour and 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 4 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and all of my spices, cardamom, nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. And I'll have all the ingredients listed below. Like always, we'll start with creaming our butter and sugar together, and it'll take about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes to get that nice and creamed. After we let the butter and sugar cream, of course, we'll add our eggs one at a time. If they'll fall that way, if they don't worry about it. We'll beat it until those eggs are well mixed. Now in those bowls I have set aside, I have my flour and all of my dry ingredients, and I also have my cider and my apple butter mixed in one bowl. We'll start mixing those in individually, alternating with the flour and the apple cider, flour and apple cider, until we end with the flour, and we'll have the cake all combined. And you know that I sifted my flour along with the salt and the baking powder, baking soda, and all of the spices. This is my last bit of apple cider and apple butter, and I will now add my last bit of flour that I don't think I got on camera. I'm so sorry. But I'm adding my vanilla, the very last thing. After that, I will then mix it by hand to make sure I got everything from the bottom up and all of my ingredients are well mixed. Now let's prepare the pan. Once it's prepared, we'll go ahead and add our batter and put it into a 325-degree oven and bake for about an hour or an hour and 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy these cake baking videos. I enjoy baking the cakes, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and comment down below which pound cake you like or which cake you like to see being baked. Now I will tell you, although this is considered a pound cake, it will not be light because of all of the spices that are there. It's a darker pound cake, but it's just as moist and it's delicious. Now while the cake is cooling, we'll go ahead and mix up our glaze. I have a half a cup of butter, a cup of sugar, and all of the spices that were incorporated into the cake. I'll add a pinch of each and a pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla. Mix it up until it's smooth, and then I'll add my milk to kind of thin it out. I added just a little bit more milk so that glaze will actually drip for me. So that's the end product. Now I've cut Peyton a slice and she wanted glaze, so I put some glaze on hers. Okay, so my taste tester is here. Come on, Miss Peyton. Like it? Oh, you like the glaze. Good. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to taste a little piece of my cake because, hey, I have to. So I'm going to get a little piece off Peyton's cake. Nice. And moist. Don't need the glaze. But I make the glaze for this particular cake. My husband, doesn't like glazes. He doesn't like icing on his cakes. But I make it just in case someone wants a glaze. This is one of my own recipes because I did not like any of the apple cider recipes, apple cider cake recipes, where you had to do all of that reducing down the apple cider and all that stuff. So I put my own twist on it, and I hope you like it. Give it a try. It's very good for the fall, and it's good for your family. Y'all have a good day, and God bless you. Bye.